Sarah and James are doing better than me. There's James. There you are. We found you.
I started to go for the hard one.
There's your 7.
Okay, 7.
You got it aimed?
Yep. Oh, no, it's got it.
You got, what did you get? 1? Oh, 7. You got 7. Good job, James. There it comes.
That seems good. You think that seems good?
Okay. Yep. It's all set. Okay, ready?
Oh no, mommy hit it too hard.
You got 1.
All right.
I'm just good at this.
You are just good at this. Good job, James.
You know how many I got?
How many?
I want you to see.
See, you got 6. There you
6. Okay, I'm ready. You're doing the zigzag technique. And he's taking a nap while waiting for the ball to get there.
go. Oh yeah.
You made it!
I missed that too.
You missed the middle 2.
I almost got all.
You
I
did.
almost got all. Too again. No, I need to sit in my chair.
You should sit in your chair
But
and we should look at
why is that not happening? Why is no?
it. Mommy's cake because it's Mommy's birthday.
Why is there no fire?
I don't know, because the butane's out. No.
What's out? What's out, Mama?
Okay.
Mommy, what's out?
Ready? Happy birthday to
Not me. Me.
Oh, you want to help?
Thank you, James.
It's like an earthquake.
Alright, where's the red button? It says it's gonna. It says it can let you now.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Push.
There's your present. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
He's not doing it.
What is that?
Oh my goodness.
It's a giant beetle.
Oh, that's a big cicada.
It's a cicada.
No, it's
Daddy.
different. It's a one of those Japanese beetle
Daddy,
things.
it's,
It's green.
it's a cicada.
It was a green beetle.
Daddy, it's a cicada.
Okay, Daddy's right. It's a green beetle.
That's there.
It's trying to come in. Oh, it scares the butterfly.
I got the butterfly.
Oh, good.
Oh, he's back. Oh, so pretty.
It's amazing. So where was the circuit breaker? Show me where your circuit breaker was. Come show me. Show me what your circuit was doing that you made. All right, well, I'm gonna go put up my stuff then.
You take pictures. Take pictures of me. You take a picture? Take pictures.
Take a picture of your circuit.
Yeah.
That's your circuit, isn't it?
Now I gotta take pictures of your stuff.
I'm gonna take pictures of you.
Look, you look what I look like. What do I look like?
You look like
What?
Super Mario. There's a Super Mario in there. If I look inside there, there's a Super Mario.
Look.
There's a Super Mario. Can I look through it with this? I can. Wait, don't move it. Look at that. There's a Super Mario in there.
Let me see.
Push it again. And look at this. Okay, push it. Now watch this. Watch this. Look. Look. We can see in there. You see it?
Yeah.
That's funny. You can see it with the phone. So, did you have a battery on your circuit?
Well, just like 100 battery.
Oh yeah, in this there's 100 batteries. But where's the circuit breaker? You were telling me.
I'm going to be able. This white thing has a bunch of circuits.
Okay, this white thing has a bunch of circuits.
Yeah, so the circuit breakers, the circuits. And these things with end are the circuit breakers. That do the end things.
These things are the circuit breakers?
Yeah, the end.
Oh, well that's great.
Those things. The circuit breakers. And
Yeah.
so those things are all the circuits, and this one goes here. This one is touches here. Things about this one touches all the others. Then this one lights up. This
That's
thing
the
lights up.
light. That lights up. So when all these wires touch, when the circuit breakers touch together, then this has a bunch of batteries in it because that's a battery pack.
And then when
And the electrons go through all the wires, and this is a light, and it lights up.
No, you push this switch. The switch. There's a circuit breaker inside of here.
The circuit breaker's inside of
There's
here.
like a cutter thing to cut the power.
That's right.
Yeah, there's a tiny scissor inside of here. Yeah, you push these make the circuit breaker stop the electricity. Look,
Oh, I see.
it's not lighting up anymore.
It's not lighting up because you got the circuit breaker off.
Yeah,
The circuit breaker stopped. You said cut the power
look.
and stop the
Okay,
electricity.
now it's electricity. See?
It's back on again.
Because these are circuit breakers. Like this.
That's right. How did you learn about that, James? Where did you learn about circuits and circuit breakers? From watching me work, I guess. Let's go up the stairs, James.
I see it. All green and glittery. You like it, James?
Mom, I need more. Can I touch this?
Yeah, I can get you some more.
I want to touch.
Okay.
Can you leave it? Why did you get it closed?
What does it feel like?
Jello.
Yeah.
Very jello.
Oh. Can you make a J? Show Daddy how you made a J.
There's a bubble in it.
There's a bubble in it.
We're going to string it out with this.
Yeah.
Right there. Passes that other one. Goes all the way to the top.
Yeah. And tell Daddy again what it is?
Volcano.
Yeah. It's a volcano. And what are all the white lines?
Tube.
Yeah.
That goes everywhere inside of it.
Yeah. That's great.
Tell Mama, can you wash my hands before?
Yep. Don't touch.
You can't try to knock something over. I'm gonna break something if I run. It's alive. The train is alive. You got me.